What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT, and today we're back with the Honda Grom, and this time we're going to be working on these chain adjusters. We got some beautiful product in from TST. Definitely had to purchase this as an upgrade for this bike, so let's get right to it. So first things first, pay no mind to my little lift here. This is what I got to make this work. All right, so this is the setup we're going to be using here. On this side, it is a 14, and on this side, we're using a 19. So all we're going to do is go ahead and break that bolt loose. Okay, so with that bolt loose, we're going to go ahead and take off this end here. So we got this nut off. And then now we'll take this piece off as well. And then we'll go ahead and slide the axle through. And as you can see, slid that through. The first one came out. And now we have the second one out. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this off. We're going to rest this here. All right, so here is our product from TST. See how good these look right here. Labeled here, right? And obviously this is going to be left. So this will go in here, that will go on that side. Here are the spools. And then here are the little screws to tighten. So what we're going to do, I'm going to go ahead and get this screw kind of set in here. Now to adjust this here, this is going to be a 5mm. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take the old adjuster, going to slide it over the axle and get these fairly close. Okay, so with that down, that's just about the same length, just a little more. Okay, so we can see here that we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, we are 15 lines away. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and slide this in here. We're going to have to get a mallet, and we're going to just tap this in. Okay, so with this one here, I'm going to go ahead and just move it 15 lines away as well. Slide it into the right side. I'm going to go ahead and just knock this in on the other side. So then what we're going to do, this is a 6mm here. We're going to go ahead and tighten this in place. Get this locked in. We'll do that to the other side as well. All right. Now, what we're going to want to do is get everything back lined up. Okay, it looks like we're just a tad too far away. So I'm going to go ahead and bring this in. Gonna push it over a little bit, get it lined up. Okay, and then I'm gonna go to the other side and also do the same thing. Okay, then with everything aligned, I'm gonna go ahead and slide the axle back through. We'll just put our bolt there to hold it for the time being. But now what we need to do is adjust the chain, and we should be good to go. So we've got quite a bit of slack on the chain now. So now we're just going to have to pull it back. Okay, so we need just a little bit more slack on the chain, and then we should be good to go. All right, so we got our spools here. The torque spec for these is going to be 24 Newton meters, and the torque spec for the axle is going to be 54 Newton meters. Once you get everything torqued down, everything will be good to go. You can resume with your riding and have a nice, easy, quick, simple way to adjust your chain in the future. It's your boy BT. Thank you for checking out this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. you.